Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Faraz Rabbani of Seekers Guidance, encouraging you to consider joining the Seekers Guidance team.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.
Seekers Guidance has been growing rapidly, alhamdulillah, both in our knowledge offering through our structured online courses, averaging nearly 2,000 course registrations every single week. Our answer service has been growing. We are conducting programs on the ground around the world. We now have a Seekers Istanbul Center. Our offering in the Arabic language with leading Arab scholars has been flourishing. We have an excellent Arabic language program to teach Arabic and to master Arabic. So alhamdulillah, Seekers is truly growing into our mandate to be a global Islamic educational initiative by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But we need people who are skilled, experienced, smart, capable, who believe in this cause of serving to spread the prophetic way of knowledge and guidance. So if you're such a person, consider applying for the many openings that we have. We have openings within our academy team. We have openings in our operations team. We need a Canada Operations Manager. We need an Istanbul Operations Manager. We need people in our development, fundraising team, such as a Fund Development Manager. And it could be you. Why not take that step and consider joining the Seekers team? You have an opportunity to serve and have a global impact in the spread of Islamic knowledge and guidance. You will gain valuable experience working with a truly global team. We have team members, teachers, and staff on every single continent by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So consider applying and consider recommending to those you know to apply so we can truly strive to serve the prophetic way with deep commitment and true striving for excellence. May Allah bless you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasul.